Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Today we are back with another herbs video. In this video, you will learn about herbs that start with the letter Thai. Watch carefully and use these herbs according to your need.
Toti Tari, Indian Laburnum Altas, Silver Fir Talis Pattar, Indian Sorrel Tapti, Common Mallow Tukham Khabazi, Purslane Seeds Tukham Kharfa, Endive Tukham Kasni, White Gourd Tukham Kaddu, Melon Seeds Tukham Mazira, Raisin Tukham Maviz, Indigo Leaves Tukham Neel.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more herbs videos. See you in the next video, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.